Hello my dear students, welcome to K.K. Tutorial. Today we will study the remaining topic of electricity and magnetism. My dear student, today we will study about magnetism. So students, magnetism is a force which has the ability to attract or repel materials such as iron. Magnet have two poles, a negative and a positive pole, where the magnetic force is strongest. In magnetism, the like charges such as south and south, north and north repel each other, whereas the unlike charges such as south and north attract each other. Student, let's see what is magnetic field. In the given diagram, the area around a magnet in which the effect of magnetism is felt is called as magnetic field. Typically, a magnetic field can be illustrated in two different ways: magnetic field vector, magnetic field lines. My dear student, do you know that Earth's magnetic field is what makes compasses work? The needle of a compass is a tiny magnet that aligns with the Earth's magnetic field, pointing north-south. This is possible because the Earth itself acts as a giant magnet thanks to its magnetic core, which generates a magnetic field that extends far into space. This field is what protects us from the solar wind and other harmful particles that constantly bombard our planet. Without it, life on Earth as we know it would not be possible. Now let's start with the most important topic, that is electromagnetism. Physicist Hans Christian Ørsted was the first to discover that electric current produces a magnetic field around a wire. Students, let's do one experiment to produce a strong magnetic field. Wrap coils of wire around an iron rod. Current passing through the coils of wire magnetizes the rod, producing a powerful magnet, called an electromagnet. The more loops in the coil, the stronger the magnetic field. Electromagnets are used in electric motors, loudspeakers, television sets, doorbells, trains, and many other devices. Faraday's electromagnetic induction. According to Faraday, the process of creating an electric current by moving a conductor through a magnetic field or by varying the magnetic field around it. The majority of the electricity supplied to homes is generated using electromagnetic induction.
Thank you for watching, and my dear students, if you find this video informative and interesting, so don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative content and do share with your friends and family. See you next video.